Students, our today's topic is political parties. So first of all, what is political party? Group of people that come together to contest elections and to form government is called political party. Group of people that come together to contest elections and to form government is called political party. It has three components. First, leaders, and second, active members, and third, followers. Political party performs various functions. Now, what are the functions performed by a political party? First of all, the political party select the candidates, and that candidates contest elections. Political party issue its manifesto. Before elections, party issue its manifesto. In this manifesto, political party give its policies and programs. In this way, party gives choice to the voters. Voters can cast their vote in the favor of that party whose manifesto they think is better. First of all, political parties select the candidates, and those candidates contest elections. Political party issues manifesto. Before the elections, party issues manifesto, and in that it gives its policies and programs. In this way, we can say party gives choice to the voters, and voters cast their vote to in the favor of that party whose manifesto they think is better. Political party also mold public opinion in its favor, and party that wins election form government is declared ruling party, declared winner. Party that gets maximum votes is declared winner, and that party forms government, make laws for the country and take major decisions for the country. Party that does not win the election and the second competitor plays the role of opposition, plays the role of opposition party. And opposition party also plays great role. It acts as a watchdog. It keeps an eye on the functioning of ruling party, highlights its failures, and force it to fulfill its promises that it has done in its manifesto. So these are the functions performed by a political party. We can also write this, that it plays the role of mediator between people and the government. It carries the demands of the people to the government, and it gives political education to the people during elections. So you can add these points also, depends upon your wish. So next is political parties have to face today. I will teach you about functions and challenges first of all. Challenges faced by political party. So challenges, what are the challenges faced by political party? So first of all, we will says that lack of internal democracy. Political party never maintains its register in which the names of the members are written. Political party never conduct internal elections to select the candidates. In India, top party leader select the candidates. Whereas in UK and USA, political parties conduct internal elections. And in India, top party leaders do this work. They select the candidates according to their choice. And other members, they do not know about the policies made by their top party leaders. Top party leaders never consult the members while framing policies. Members have to only follow the policies made by top party leaders. So in India, we can say all the powers in political party are enjoyed by top party leaders. And members, they only have to follow. Next is, so in this way we can say there is lack of internal democracy because no internal elections are held while selecting the candidates. Decisions are only taken by top party leaders. Members are not consulted for this. They have to only follow. So this is, we can say there is, in this way we can say there is lack of internal democracy. I've told you that in UK and USA, elections, internal elections are held. And through internal elections, they select the candidates. Top party leaders in UK and USA do not enjoy so much powers as in India. So next is dynastic succession. In this, you will write like this, that political parties always give chance to their friends, relatives, and family members to come in power or to reach at the higher position in the party. Though they are not deserving, capable, but they are given chance. Whereas capable, deserving, honest candidates are not given chance due to lack of resources. They are not given chance to reach at high position due to lack of resources. Listen again, dynastic succession. Political party always give chance to its friends, relatives, family members to come in power, though they are not capable or deserving. Whereas there are many people, many candidates who are deserving, capable, honest, but they are not given chance by the party to come in power. Next, third is the lack of internal democracy and dynastic succession, I think now clear to you. And now third is no meaningful choice. No meaningful choice. Political party issued its manifesto before the election. But these days, manifestos of all the political parties are same. So voters get confused in whose favor they have to cast their vote. So in this way, we can say there is no meaningful choice because manifesto of all the parties is same. सब parties के manifesto same होते जा रहे हैं, and voters, these days voters are confused. They do not know in whose favor they have to cast their vote. So there is no meaningful choice these days. Next is money and muscle power. Money and muscle power. The main aim of political party is to win the elections. क्या मेन एम होता है उनका? सिर्फ जीतना. The main aim of political parties to win the elections, and for this, sometimes party give chance to rich and corrupt, rich and criminals. Sometimes party give chance to rich and criminal candidates because they are on the view that by using money power or muscle power, these candidates would win the election. For this, you can see a movie, Lion of Punjab, and you will get clear idea about this. Money and muscle power. Political parties sometimes give chance to rich and criminals because they are on the view that by using money and muscle power, these candidates would win the elections. So these are the challenges faced by political parties. You can also write here first is we have done, I'm going to repeat again the challenges faced by political party. First is lack of internal democracy. Now you can write. Second, dynastic succession. Third, money and muscle power. And then no meaningful choice. Here you can add also this point, defection. Defection, you can also add this point. Defection means to change the party for personal benefits or rewards or for to get important position in the party. क्या होता है? Sometimes political candidates of the political parties, sometimes they change their party after elections to get personal benefits or to get powerful position. They change their party. So these are the major challenges faced by political parties. कई बार क्या होता है? In exam, they ask remedies also. Write the challenges faced by political parties. Also write some remedies. How to bring reforms. How to bring reforms in political parties. ये भी क्वेश्चन आता है. अब challenges को ही हम how to bring reforms में convert करेंगे. First we have done lack of internal democracy. अब इसको आप इस वे से कर दोगे. There should be, आप ऐसे लिखोगे, top party leader should consult the other members while selecting the candidates. Internal elections should be conducted by a political party to select the candidates. उन्हीं को ही आप सुधार के लिख दोगे. ठीक है? तो फर्स्ट तो आप ये लिख दोगे, और अदरवाइज यू कैन डू दिस क्वेश्चन मोर इजी लाइक दिस. यू कैन डिवाइड इट इन 3 parts. Role played by political party, role played by government, role played by people. This will become very easy for you. For this you have to learn these 3 points main, and points में तो आप add कर ही दोगे. First is, for example, मैं अब ऐसे बोल के दिखाती हूँ, role played by political party. तो पार्टी क्या क्या करे कि रिफॉर्म्स हो जाए. They should conduct internal elections. They should not give chance to non-serious candidates. They should not follow dynastic succession. They should give chance to deserving, capable candidates. And तो ये आप political parties के बारे में लिख दोगे. They should not give chance to criminals or to corrupt candidates, non-serious candidates. They should not give chance. ठीक है? This is about role played by political party. Next. Role played by government or election commission. तो इसमें आप क्या लिख सकते हो? First is you can write like this. Election commission should check rigging during elections strictly. Election Commission should not allow the non-serious candidates to contest elections. So, Election Commission should make voting compulsory. Election Commission should make voting compulsory. In India, only 70 to 75% people cast their vote. And the candidates which are selected, they are not the true candidates because 25% people have not casted their vote. So in this way, we can say election commission should make election commission should make voting compulsory. So these are the steps taken by election commission. Next is role played by people. People can also play great role to bring reforms in political party. People should be aware. They should not cast their vote in the favor of the candidates who are not capable. They should not bother about the caste and religion of the candidate while casting their vote. They should cast their vote. They should take part during elections and cast their vote. They should know the value of their vote. People should know the value of their vote. So these are the reforms that can be made. In this way, we can say reforms can be introduced in political party. It will become easy for you to learn like this: role played by political parties, then role played by government, and then role played by people. लोग भी तो रिफॉर्म्स लाएंगे. लोग अगर 1 मिनट लोग सोने वाले होंगे, सोते रहेंगे, पार्टी कुछ भी नहीं करेगी. हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ध्यान से नहीं सुनेंगे तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ठीक है ना. अगर आप हमें ध्यान से सुनते हो तो यू कैन डू बेटर इन एग्जाम्स. सेम एज पीपल अवेयर होंगे. नो, दे शुड नो दैट देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. दे शुड कास्ट देयर वोट. दे शुड नो द वैल्यू ऑफ देयर वोट. ये सब कुछ कंपल्सरी होना चाहिए. And they should never cast their vote in the favor of the candidate who is not deserving, who is not capable. People should not cast their vote. So in this way, we can say reforms can be introduced in political parties. So next is types of parties, different kinds of parties. One party system, two party or bi-party. First of all, one party, then two party or bi-party, then multi-party system. One party, bi-party, multi-party system. First of all, I will tell you about these political parties and then I will ask you which system is better. One, two or multi, which is better? So first is one party. One party system. In one party system, there is main one political party. ये नहीं है वहाँ पे और parties नहीं है. There are various political, and this is found in China. First of all, you will write like this: one in one party system, there is one main political party. It is found in China. There are various political parties in China, but major chances to come in power only given to one party, and that is Communist Party in China. Other parties, they are not given chance to come in power. उन्हें कोई chance नहीं दिया जाता to come in power. So major chances to come in power only given to one party, not to other parties. So one party system, there is no competition between the political parties, and we can say this is not the better option for democracy. This is not good option for democracy because there is no competition. In one party system, only one party has given chance to come in power. Other parties are ignored. And this is not good option for democracy. Next is two-party system or bi-party system. It is found in UK and USA. One more question can come. One-party system is found in China. Two-party system is found in UK and USA. In UK and USA, there are other political parties also, but major chances to come in power are given only to two political parties. But other parties are ignored. But we can say with two-party system, both are developed nations. There is, we can say there is competition, though between two political parties, but at least there is competition. है तो है ना वहाँ पे competition, only though between two political parties. There is competition. Whereas in China, there is no competition. Next is multi-party system. Multi-party system, in multi-party system, there are various political parties and it is found in India. In multi-party system, sometimes coalition government are formed. When one party cannot show its majority, it joins its hands with other political parties and then they show majority and form government. Under Dr. Manmohan Singh, during the period of Congress, there was coalition government in India. For 10 years, मनमोहन सिंह हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर रहे हैं, तो अंडर मनमोहन सिंह there was coalition government in India. But at present in India, there is no coalition government because BJP अपने आप ही पावर में आई है. बीजेपी ने हैंड जॉइन नहीं किए, मेजोरिटी शो की. तो एट प्रेजेंट इन इंडिया देयर इज नो कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट. तो मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम is good for India because in India people of diverse group live, and in multi-party system everyone has say in politics. So what I have told you, three kinds of parties: one party system, bi-party system, multi-party system. Now I am asking, which system is better? So can you tell me which system is better? Which system is better? Can you tell me? No one system is better. कोई भी नहीं, किसी को भी नहीं कहेंगे. We can't say any system is better because it depends upon the political, geographical and ethnic variation of the country. Which system suits it? We can't say any system better because it depends upon the political and ethnic variation of the country which system suits it. For example, with the one-party system, China is 12th nation. But China के लिए तो हम नेगेटिव बोलेंगे, but there is no, हम कहेंगे competition ही नहीं है. There is no competition. And we can't say this system is good option for democracy, but एक praise भी है कि with one party system China is 12th nation. Listen again, we can't say any system better. Question is which party system is better and why? हम कहेंगे no, we can't say any party system is better because it depends upon the ethnic and political variation of the country which system suits it. अब with the one party system, China is developed nation, and but drawback here, there is no competition and we can't say it good option for democracy. Next, two party system. हम लेंगे two party system. In two party system, there is competition, though only between two parties, but there is competition. But they ignore, these parties ignore their election system, ignore the other parties. वो उनको ignore करता है. And importance is only given to 2 political parties. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये ड्रॉबैक तो है ना. Other parties are ignored, election system ignored other parties, and only 2 parties, major chances to come in power only given to 2 political parties. But फिर एक positive, with the 1-2 party system, both are developed nations, दोनों ही developed हैं with 2 party system. UK and USA means ये system उनको suit कर गया. चाइना को 1 party सूट कर गया, यूके यूएसए को 2 party. तो हम फिर बुराई नहीं करेंगे. बुराई कैसे कर सकते हैं? विद 1 party system चाइना इज डेवलप्ड नेशन, विद 2 party system बोथ आर डेवलप्ड नेशन यूके एंड यूएसए. तो कैन वी से दीज आर नॉट गुड सिस्टम्स? नो. नेक्स्ट इज मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. मल्टी पार्टी, बच्चों को मोस्टली लगता होता है कि मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम बेस्ट होएगा, तो ये भी नहीं हम कह सकते. मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम इज फाउंड इन इंडिया. Everyone has say in politics. If one party cannot show its majority, it can join hands with other political parties and show majority and form government. But in multi-party system, आप एक प्रेज भी करोगे कि everyone has say in politics, ये प्रेज कर दी, बुराई भी करेंगे. But in multi-party system, there are chances of clashes between political parties. पार्टीज ट्राई टू ब्लेम ईच अदर. अभी ही आप देख लो, टीवी न्यूज़ सुना करो, डिबेट्स डिस्कशंस देखा करो, कैसे पार्टीज एक दूसरे को ब्लेम करती हैं. इन मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम देयर आर चांसेस ऑफ क्लैशेस. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ट्राई टू ब्लेम ईच अदर. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन से कि we can't say any system are best. It depends upon ethnic and political variation of the country which system suits it. Political situation of the country which system suits it. So we can't say any system best system. हम किसी को भी good नहीं बोलेंगे. Depend upon the country which system suits it. Multi-party system is suitable for India because in India people of diverse group live and they all have say in politics. तो multi-party system कहीं ना कहीं इंडिया जैसी कंट्री के लिए अच्छा है because in India there is diversity and everyone has say in politics only because of multi-party system. So नेक्स्ट टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक बार मैं वापस बिगनिंग से बताती हूँ. व्हाट इज पॉलिटिकल पार्टी? इट्स 3 कंपोनेंट्स, देन functions of political parties, then challenges faced by political party, how to bring reforms in political party, how to bring reforms if you do like this, then no need of cramming. आप अपने आप बना लोगे. How to bring reforms, role played by political parties. Political parties खुद ही अपने आप में रिफॉर्म ले आए. नेक्स्ट, रोल प्लेड बाय गवर्नमेंट और इलेक्शन कमीशन, आप कुछ भी कह सकती हो. नेक्स्ट, रोल प्लेड बाय पीपल. लोग भी तो रिफॉर्म्स ला सकते हैं. लोग ऐसी पार्टी को, ऐसे कैंडिडेट को वोट ही ना करें. नॉन सीरियस कैंडिडेट की फेवर में अगर लोग ही नहीं वोट करेंगे तो अपने आप ठीक होएगा. अगर लोगों को अपने वोट की वैल्यू पता होएगी तो अपने आप ठीक होएगा. वैल्यू ही नहीं पता, लोग वोट ही नहीं डालने चाहते. दिस इज द मेन रीजन. तो 100% वोटिंग नहीं है, 70 to 75% वोटिंग है. एंड ड्यू टू दिस कैंडिडेट्स हु आर रूलिंग दे आर नॉट ट्रू कैंडिडेट्स, क्योंकि उनको 25% लोगों ने तो इलेक्ट ही नहीं किया. तो हाउ कैन वी से दे आर ट्रू कैंडिडेट्स? नो, दे आर नॉट ट्रू कैंडिडेट्स. नेक्स्ट जो मैंने आपको करवाया दैट इज डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पार्टीज. 1 पार्टी, इसके लिए लर्न रखनी है कंट्री चाइना. देन 2 पार्टी, यूके एंड यूएसए. 1 मार्क क्वेश्चंस कैन बी आस्क्ड. देन मल्टी पार्टी, इसके लिए आप इंडिया. अब सबके बारे में नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. देन विच पार्टी सिस्टम इज गुड, हम किसी को भी गुड नहीं बोलेंगे, हम कहेंगे डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कंट्री विच सिस्टम सूट्स इट। उसे पता नहीं कौन सा सिस्टम सूट कर गया, डिपेंड अपॉन द कंट्री, कैसे लोग हैं वहाँ पे, एथनिक वेरिएशन है कि नहीं। इंडिया जैसी कंट्री के लिए वी कैन से मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम इज गुड बिकॉज देयर इज एथनिक वेरिएशन, पीपल ऑफ डाइवर्स ग्रुप लिव इन इंडिया, एंड in multi-party system everyone has say in politics, so that's why this system suits to India, multi-party system. Sometimes when political party cannot show majority, then it can join its hands with other political party to show majority and to form government. Coalition government can be formed. So next is, we can say with one party system China is 12th nation. Drawback क्या बताना है कि वहाँ पे कंपटीशन नहीं है. With two party system UK and USA are 12th nation, को सूट कर गया. ड्रॉबैक क्या, कहीं ना कहीं इलेक्शन सिस्टम ने बाकी की पार्टीज को इग्नोर किया. चाइना में तो इलेक्शन सिस्टम उन्हें आने ही नहीं देता पावर में. इन चाइना इलेक्शन सिस्टम डज नॉट अलाउ अदर पार्टीज टू कम इन पावर. मेन पार्टी कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी है चाइना की. सो next topic of this chapter is national and regional political parties. National and regional. तो national and regional first of all differentiate भी आता है. तो differentiate वाला मैं पहले टॉपिक बोलती हूँ, फिर हम बाद में करते हैं national and regional. Differentiate बहुत इजी वाले पॉइंट्स बोलती हूँ, लिसन केयरफुली. अभी सुनते ही लर्न, ये तो मुझे पक्का पता है कि सुनने से ही लर्न, इतने अच्छे बच्चे हैं हमारे, सुनने से ही लर्न. नेशनल एंड रीजनल. तो फर्स्ट नेशनल में आप बताओगे इट वर्क्स फॉर द होल कंट्री. नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी वर्क्स फॉर होल कंट्री. रीजनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी वर्क्स फॉर पर्टिकुलर रीजन. National political party highlights national issues and regional political parties highlight state issues. Symbols allotted to national political parties are found in whole country. Symbols allotted to regional political parties are found only in particular region or particular state. National political party promote the national culture. Regional political party promote the culture of the state. पंजाब में रह के पंजाबी कंपल्सरी पढ़ रहे हो आप स्कूल में, पंजाबी कंपल्सरी. देयर इज चॉइस इन हिंदी एंड कंप्यूटर, पंजाबी कंपल्सरी बिकॉज रीजनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अपना लैंग्वेजेस, अपना कल्चर पे को प्रमोट करती है. तो नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के एग्जांपल्स बीजेपी, कांग्रेस, बीएसपी, एनी, बिकॉज इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव डन 6 पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. वी हैव डन टुडे. तो आई एम ओनली रिवाइजिंग दिस चैप्टर. योर सिलेबस हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड. Today I am only revising, and in this chapter you have done 6 political parties. Ideology of 6 national political parties you have done. So you can write any 2 names from those 6 political parties, depend upon your wish. And regional में आप फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो आपको अपनी स्टेट की लिख देनी चाहिए. श्रोमणी अकाली दल, लोक दल, ठीक है, शिवसेना, कोई भी आपकी मर्जी, आप कोई भी लिख सकते हो. तेलुगु देशम पार्टी, अन्ना डीएमके, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर विश, आपने जो लिखना है. मैप इज आल्सो गिवन इन द बुक. वो मैप नहीं पेपर में आता, बट फ्रॉम दैट मैप 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन कैन कम. तो मैप से आप पार्टीज को 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन कैन कम फ्रॉम द मैप. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विच इज द रीजनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ऑफ हरियाणा. ये क्वेश्चन मैं मैप से बोल रही हूँ. लोक दल. That's why you are having enough time at home. तो एक बार उस मैप से गो थ्रू हो जाओ बच्चे. मैप में से क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। लास्ट ईयर जो मैप में से 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, तो उसमें क्या पूछा उन्होंने, स्टेट, पार्टी, स्टेट्स लिख दी, सामने उन्होंने नाम पूछे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के एंड देयर लीडर्स और सिंबल्स। इन योर बुक मैप इज गिवन, पार्टीज विद देयर सिंबल्स आर आल्सो गिवन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल लोकदल अगर दिया है ना तो उसका सिंबल साथ में दिया हुआ है। तो ये क्वेश्चन पिछली बार पेपर में, पिछली से पिछली बार आया, सॉरी पिछली बार नहीं आया, पिछली से पिछली बार 5 मार्क का ये क्वेश्चन पेपर में आ चुका है। So please pay attention. You are having enough time at home. Whenever you get time, तो ओनली आपने उस मैप को देखना है और उसके पार्टीज विद सिंबल्स एंड देयर लीडर्स। ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट इज लीडर्स आपसे मोस्टली नेशनल के पूछेंगे, रीजनल के इतने ज़्यादा लीडर्स वो नहीं पूछते, नेशनल के पूछेंगे। तो नेक्स्ट इज नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। Six are given in your book, and we have to do the ideology of these 6 political parties. More than, you know it well, more than 750